Folks, it's Boxing Day, December 26th, and if you're watching this, good, it means you're not out spending money.
That's right. That's right. We wanted to take this portion of the show to thank you guys for your support. It really does mean the world to us. This year, we've grown our channel quite a bit, and we couldn't have done it without you guys. So thank you. We will be back to our regular scheduled programming in 2025. But for now, Pa,
let's get into the numbers.
That's right.
Folks, it's Boxing Day. Let's see if there's any Boxing Day real estate specials across York Region. Here's a quick summary of average sold prices. We're focused on this show for detached properties only for Vaughan, Richmond Hill, and Markham. Average sold prices are actually pretty close together. There's about $100,000 that separates, $100,000 that separates bottom from the top. We're going to start off with Vaughan detached properties. Now, what we do expect, and we see this almost every time this time of year, sales trending down, average prices usually trending down, listings trending down, active listings trending down. I'm summarizing practically the show here. Months of inventory trending up. That's usually what we see. And I tell anybody that wants to listen, don't take the numbers so serious the last couple of weeks of the year and the first couple of weeks of the new year. Let's see what's happening across York Regional. For Vaughan, detached properties, 25 were sold for week ending December 18th. 8 of those were at $2 million or more. Now, I'm stressing that because if you look at a whole bunch of weeks, if we go all the way to the beginning of the fall, well, let's go all the way back, the beginning of the summer. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks, including the one we're in now, 5 weeks where we hit 8, 9, or 10 properties selling at $2 million or more. The overall average, the common number is usually 3 or 4 or 5 selling at $2 million or more every week. So this week, December 18th, 8 of those were sold. Sales, they're trending down slightly, not dropping. So 25 were sold. Average sold price, because of those 8 selling at $2 million or more, shot way up to $1,837,000. 1,837 is 15% higher than where the average sold price was the same week a year ago. The median price is 17% higher. 25 we said were sold. Only 12% sold at list price or more. Think about that. Lots of $2 million or more sold. Only 12% sold at list price or more. What's happening out there? A lot of people, I think a lot of sellers are accepting the lower price. It's the end of the year. They don't want to be on the market next year. Listings trending down. Active listings trending down. Months of inventory holding steady at 2.9, but overall months of inventory has been trending down. Here's Richmond Hill. 20 detached properties were sold. 7 of those were at $2 million or more. Neither the actual sales or property selling at $2 million or more seem to be dropping in Richmond Hill. It's quite steady. Average sold price is $1,803,000. 1,803 is 4% higher year over year. The median price is 1% higher. 10% of the properties sold at list price or more. Listings trending down. Active listings trending down. Months of inventory, 3.6 months of inventory, pretty much a balanced market. Here's Markham. Also, sales really have not started to trend down yet. Sitting at 19 detached properties were sold. Well, I'm saying they're not really trending down. They're not like in succession trending down. 19 though is quite low for sales in a week. 3 of those were at $2 million or more. Average sold price is $1,733,000. 1,733 is basically, it's a little bit lower, but rounded, it's a 0% change than where we were this time a year ago. Median price 2% higher. Average price and median price were trending down. They're up this week. Let's see how that plays out. But remember what I said the last couple of weeks and the first couple of weeks. Don't take the numbers so serious. 19 were sold. 21% sold at list price or more. Listings trending down. Active listings trending down. Months of inventory sitting at 3.2 months of inventory. Here's a quick summary. Pretty much, I would say we're in a balanced market, but at the bottom end of a balanced market. So it's going to be some areas that are a bit more competitive than maybe you're used to seeing at other times of the year. But top end of a seller's market, bottom end of a balanced market. Now, some neighborhoods will exaggerate those, meaning it's much higher of a buyer's market or a balanced market, for example. But also, there's going to be some competition. I know I'm saying, all these different market points. Unfortunately, that's what you experience out there. Thanks for watching. Happy holidays.